want to do you know? New link on the attack now. Bring a old trend setter. New link.
For the sell my viewers and subscribers, I don't know the thing going, I don't know some New Link there and from New Link production people, and right now some news are reaching New Link about a thing what took place the people, you understand, over Haiti involving a Jamaican, you know what I mean, people, because them said this Jamaican sometime last week, this Jamaican who is said to be from in a St. Thomas their people was captured over in 80 people with several guns, you know what I mean, tons of marijuana, tons of cocaine people and thing. And they said this Jamaican was a very, you know what I mean, now I go say, was a very dangerous man who had killed a whole heap of people, something, but they say he was a high rank supplier with the gun for drugs trade, you know what I mean, thing. So them say he was captured in 80 people, and as I tell a whole heap of money too. Them say them find the people to whole heap of money. You get me? I say in the case people, driver's license was fined, ID, national ID for Jamaica and thing, and they say this man who is just in his early 30s, you know what I mean? And they say this man was a supplier to many big stream, you know what I mean? He was just a small supplier for just some small thing, because in life people, and many people may not know this, sometimes we see these youths, you know what I mean, especially in Jamaica, and you know what I mean, they are the one who you'd like say, yo, are the killer and the bad one, and them are the one who are do this people. But for these youths to be doing these things, people, don't feel like these youths, the little small youth from these little ghetto, are the one who are the main thing behind this thing, people. You know what I mean? Sometimes you have some big heads people behind it, and they are the one who damage these youth, you understand? Leak things back on them after certain things that go for them with your people, and when them don't get what they want, people, and end up these youth, you know what I mean? So in the end, people, as to what them I say, this youth is not the only youth behind this thing. There are bigger official, like top rank people, meaning in politics, in this, in that, who was behind this with this youth, you know what I mean? Because what they are saying, they was trying to trap this youth from a very long time, you get me? And they come down where they do hold him. As I tell people, they say several guns, top gun, new gun, old gun, them hold with whole heap of money, whole heap of drugs, and this happen right over and yet to the so in at the end, yo, I tell the people, yo, in this world I don't know, you know what I mean? I don't know, but I don't know the thing of people. As me I say, the youths them, sometimes they might go for better, you know what I mean? But in the end, look at it, people. If this man is the one who bringing all these guns coming back to Jamaica, people, honestly, you know what I mean? You know much life behind this man name then. Because if you are bringing illegal guns to the country, it can damage the country in certain ways. So it's just not right, you know what I mean? It's wrong, it's totally wrong, and a straight attack on that. You get me answer? Because in the end, can't afford for the youth them in our state of the country is in right now, and these youths damaging our country and wrecking our country, putting our country down to the last brings. You get me? I say, no, it better the man them did that come so boom now. If them want to do them drugs thing, whatever, that's the, but you know what I mean, the guns thing and come damaging the country just irrelevant, you know what I mean? Not accept that part there, you know what I mean? So the youth they need to make a look of difference in their life, man. As I say, every man if you have a peace in man, protect yourself, man. But if you go around and do the senseless killing, the man kill off on our own brothers and sisters sometimes for no reason at all. It just not make no sense. You get me? I say, if we want better, you get me? I say, we want hustle with money hard and thing and this and that and that and I do a thing and hustle. But for the killing thing, that are the thing we not have a what. You understand? Because some killing just don't make no sense, and which we not support the killing of no one, no matter who. You get me? I said, we know sometimes we do these contents, people do find things to say in the comment section where they say, New Link, it sound like, yeah, pick side with these, man. And so, but I ain't picking no side. It's just reality. You understand? We have to look into things reality. You get me? I say, because every picnic who born on earth, Jamaica, whatever they born, then they born good. You get me? I say, and many people who choose and be who they are today is just the life that comes around them and what leads them to do with what they are doing. But all I'm saying is, it still give no man rights to be, you know what I mean, a killer, to kill your brothers and sister, you know what I mean. And in the end, if you is a man who comes to boom and bring in weapons that are going to be a harm to our brothers and sisters, and they say you need to get rid of because you're damaging the thing. You get me? I say, number one, people, I'm not going to tell a man, say, yo, the man they are scammer if dead. You know what I mean? The man they is a drug dealer if dead. No, I'm not going to tell a man that. Because in the end, people, I can't tell a man. But when me see a man now comes to boom and bring gun, If you go kill off innocent people, honestly, we feel like we feel hurt about that. Which me not say me I support wrongdoings and me I support nobody, but you know what I mean, people, I'm just telling you, you get me I say, because in this world, people, we just don't know who behind this. The same people them sometimes want to look up to and say them on a leader, them on, they are the one who put these youths out there and make these youths go do the thing. You get me I say, because in the end, them big, them out there already, so them have to put some local rookie man out there. Because look at that man like that down, people. You understand? So much money, so much. You understand? Just look at the man like a picture like that. Come on, the bigger man there behind that. But you don't know the thing. This is the world we are living in today, people. So you don't know this is New Link from New Link Production. Now we say attack and people stay safe and go and bless upon yourself. Peace out, respect, attack them.